Sarah. I'm a U.S. history teacher here in Los Angeles. You know, summer has been amazing, and like most of you, I'm feeling a little sad about it coming to an end. However, getting ready for the school year just got a little bit better because my social studies back to school essentials box just arrived from Teachers Discovery, and I was so geeked, I wanted to open it with you to show you everything. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's see what we got in here. There's so much stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I cannot wait. Awesome stuff. Okay, I'm just so excited. There's just so much stuff. Okay, so we'll get started. I had to take it all out of the box. So first, we have the When You Enter the Classroom mini poster, reminding students that they are amazing and they are historians in my class. Nice. Then, of course, there's the ultimate must-have for any true U.S. history teacher, and that is the I Want You to Study mini poster. Oh man, that is so cool. Oh man, I am absolutely using this. This is super cool. We're going to use this the first week of class. You know what this is? This is a classroom Constitution dry erase poster. So it says, we the students of, in order to form a more perfect class will, and it's a constitution. We're going to create a constitution in our class. How fun is that? So, okay, this is neat too. So check this out. This is a class set of 30 farce book posters. There are so many options for these, and even better, I got an email with an activity packet to download to go over this, over with this. So, it has a ton of activities to use all year long. This is so cool. Check this out. What is this? Oh my gosh. I have never seen anything like this before. Do you know what this is? This is a floor compass. It's a vinyl floor decal compass. I think I'm gonna use it in the front of my room to use for reference, like when I tell a group to meet me in the southeast corner of the room. Oh, I love it. This is so cool. Oh, and this here, we've got a tote bag. It's a tote bag with Washington on it. This is so cool. I'll be definitely using it at the school. Washing done with your attitude. I love it. Oh my goodness. This is like Christmas. This is seriously a never-ending box of goodies. I can't even believe this. All right, so next we have, this is neat. This is a border covering social studies topics and a class set of bookmarks. How cool is that? Both of these are going to be super useful. I just can't believe all this stuff. Oh man, check this out. Oh, a whole book called On This Day in History. I'll always be looking for fun, I'm always looking for fun bell ringers or time fillers. I will use this a lot. Oh my gosh. There's gold in their hills. September 1st, 1985, the wreck of the Titanic is finally found on this day in history. How fun! All kinds of stuff in this book to use. This is so cool. Okay, all right, and I am still not done. We have cool cubes, and there are so many ways to use for reviews, games, group activities, and they're reusable, so they'll last all year long. Then we have a set of 16, that's right, 16 mini posters with powerful history quotes. Then these last two things are like the cherry on top, okay? So look at how big this poster is. Presidents of the United States. Check this out. It shows each president with something that defines their presidency, like Jimmy Carter's holding a peanut. This is so neat, and it's laminated. I will keep this thing forever. This is so cute. J.R. Roosevelt has a big stick in his hand. Super fun. I love it. Okay, and then one last thing that every single teacher can relate to. Stickers. That's right. They have historical figures with hilarious sayings on them. See if you can see those. These are fun. I will definitely need to buy more. So that's it. I got all of this stuff only for $129.99. Under $130, and I can't believe it. This is such an easy decision to buy this amazing bundle. I cannot recommend this bundle enough for teachers wanting to just jumpstart their new school year and freshen up the class. I am in love. This was really such a no-brainer, and this is gonna make history fun, and it's gonna be exciting for the kids, and the kids are gonna love to learn it with this bundle. This makes it so simple.